Yo, it's your boy Colin, aka Colin Trades CSP, back with you with another video. Today is day 5 of my trading journey, and I would say I hit a little hiccup in the past 2 days. As yesterday was a pretty red day, as I will show in this video. As you can see, the current account is sitting at roughly around $49,919 from the up $815 in day 3. So it was a pretty red day, nasty day yesterday, and unfortunately I did not record yesterday, as on my calendar the open door video was slotted for yesterday, as I post that video every Wednesday. But today I will basically go over exactly what happened yesterday, the issues that I faced as a trader, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys has faced as well. And then basically go over my trading day I had today, as today was a green day and so forth. So I'll go over the charts on that. So as you can see, the account is currently sitting at $49,919, down $81, basically from the 50,000 break even. And if you scroll down, you see that nasty red minus $1,300. So one thing as a trader, and I know a lot of people have faced, is multiples when it comes to is revenge trading and or multi-loss days and not stepping away from the charts. So what happened exactly was in this trade was I was up $400 or $500 on the trade, did not move my stops to break even, and unfortunately completely reversed to the upside and stopped me out for a minus 500 on my first trade, which then that spiraled out of control and basically got me on tilt to revenge trade, which then the next trade I took even a bigger loss, which was roughly around that $700-800 range. So that was a serious red flag in my part, as I shouldn't be doing that, especially when it comes to taking the amount of small wins that I've been doing the past couple of days and then leading up to a major loss. And this can literally blow your account in the matter of days, if not in a single trade. So that is definitely something that I definitely took note moving forward. Of course, this is not going to be an easy fix, as it does take a lot of repetition built over time to fix. But of course, I'm making this video to make it accountable to myself that this doesn't happen again. But as of right now, as you can see, it was a minus $1,300 day yesterday, and then today was up $432. So a little bit bright side, I was able to get what I've lost. Now this account looks to be starting back at square one once again. So let's start fresh. I'm going to show you the charts on this $432 day, and basically move on from then, learn from my mistakes, and just move on. Because when it comes to trading, it is a day-to-day thing. Charts can be changed every single day. You might have a strategy or a pattern that you might see, take advantage of it. But again, when it comes to the market, you never know exactly what's going to happen on a tick-to-tick basis. If you are a day trader and you've seen the past couple of days, it has been extremely choppy. So of course, taking what the market gives, you just have to take advantage of it, and that's all you can do in this current market. So you just have to be able to adapt and just play it day by day. All right, so now let's go into the charts, show you exactly what I took today and so forth regarding this trading day. So as you can see on this trade, you could see this opening range. This is basically the 30-minute I usually always mark out. We were basically chopping the whole day. We did break to the downside, but unfortunately we did catch a bit in this major demand zone, which then allowed for this to pop. Now, the reason why I took a short at this high, you're probably asking, hey, why are you taking this short right here? It's such a random spot to take a short. So if you look at 1 o'clock today, this was a major red candle closing into this EMA. If you pull up ES at the same time, same 30-minute orb that was formed, at 1 o'clock or 1:05, this was breaking to the downside, breaking the orb, which then this would have been a nice entry on ES, but unfortunately I was trading and looking at NQ at this given moment. So right when I saw this break and retest of the 30-minute orb on ES, I did stab a short. Now, you're probably looking at this and saying, hey, looks like you could have rode this down a little bit further. Now, when it comes to such a choppy day like today in the past couple of days, you never know when exactly this market is going to flip. So you just got to make sure that you secure the profits that you're comfortable, your price target, you're basically your targets that you're hitting that for that particular day, and just move on. So that's what I did. I basically took the short, entered, made roughly around $400. So I'm not good with the math. It could be roughly around, what is that? Yeah, 40 to 50 points. Take that, and I started to move on with my day, because you never know exactly what happened to me yesterday, where I was up $400 and then instantly reversed to the upside with no news at all, and basically stopped me out for a minus 500. So I just took what I wanted to take and then just moved on with my day. But when it comes to tilts going into that, it's going to happen. You're going to have days like that, but it's just a matter of how can you bounce back the coming days to, flip the mood and become a better trader, and just basically say, hey, it's a learning lesson, just move on with it. There's always another trading day tomorrow. And it's good when it comes to these prop firm accounts and evals, is that you're just basically trying to become a better trader. You're not using live money, so you're never burning through accounts. That's something I had basically faced my whole life when it comes to trading, as I've used live money and never believed in actual prop firms. But in this case is that, hey, it's only $75 to $90 when it comes to Lucid, Top Step, and so forth. Use it, learn it, and just basically try and become a better trader day by day. That's all I can say, and all I can say to myself as well. So with that, you'll see this video again tomorrow. I hope to be posting these daily sooner or later. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.